Hi, my name is Stephanie, and this is Stephysway, where we discuss locks in life. And if you'd like to support me, I'd greatly appreciate it. I run an online skincare business, handmade products. Please check it out after you watch this video. Today, I wanted to do a Valentine's Day kind of inspired and show you guys how I do my S&S manicures at home. So if you want more videos like this, give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and let's get the video moving. Okay, so first I want to just say that I am not in no way, shape, or form telling you to do this to your nails. I'm just showing you how I got S&S powders to work for me. I'm not saying what I do to my nails is right. It's just what has been working for me for a couple of years now. So yeah, take everything I say with a grain of salt. Research for your own good. I literally learned how to do my nails from going to the nail salon and having someone work on my nails and watching what they do, and then just tweaking it and making it work for me. So yeah. This is what my nails look like before. And this is what I get after. I'm going to show you my materials that I work with. They have been used. They are worn. No, I am not buying new ones. If y'all come for me because my stuff looks dusty and ashy and jagged, I will never show y'all anything ever again. The first thing I do is take my metal drill bit. I have no clue what any of this stuff is at all, but I'll show it to you. It looks like this, and it's just really good to get the first layer of acrylic powder off so that the acetone can eat through it quicker. And then I literally just have my acetone in a old jar. This is what my nails look like after I use that metal drill bit. And now I'm just going to stick my nails into this jar of acetone. You want to be careful with this because if you have any open sores or cuts, they will burn. I just don't like wrapping my nails in tinfoil. I find it's a waste of tinfoil and cotton balls. And now my nails are clean. Now I'm going to use the file to fix the shape of my nails. I really like the almond shape on my nails, so I'm just making sure that I get the perfect shape. Next, I'm going to be using a cuticle dissolver. It is important to remove excess cuticles off your nail bed so that the S&S will stick properly. And so that your nails just look overall nicer. Nobody wants to have a fresh manicure with crusty, dusty cuticles. You only need a small amount, and this one bottle will last me like a year and some change. And I just apply the gel to all 10 nails, wait a couple minutes, or seconds actually, and then begin to use the cuticle pusher. Again, you want to be very thorough when you're scraping or using the cuticle pusher to remove the excess skin from your nail bed. It's very important to get that skin off that nail bed, otherwise your acrylic will lift in a couple days. Because I'm very meticulous at this step, my manicures can last me anywhere from 2 weeks to 2.5 weeks, and I usually just remove them because I don't like the overgrown look. Next, I use alcohol pads to remove the excess cuticle dissolver off of my nail and my skin. I got these alcohol pads from the pharmacy section in Target, and they were super cheap. I also use the same alcohol wipe to wipe off my cuticle pusher so that it's clean and ready for next time. Here I'm just taking my file again and making sure my nail shape is perfect. I do this several times throughout the process. Now it's time for the drill. This time I use more of an emery board type of drill bit. It's very, very dull because it's overused and I need to replace it. However, I just use it to remove the shine from my natural nail, focusing mostly around where my nail bed meets my cuticle because that's new growth. And then I run it really quickly over the rest of my nail, but really, really lightly. Like the speed is super low on the drill at this point. Now I have these, I don't know what to call them. They're little cups that hold the acrylic powder, and they make it so that you can slide your nail into the acrylic powder at the right angle. So when you're dipping your finger into acrylic powder, I believe they say it's supposed to be like a 45-degree angle that you enter the powder at. And, I'm not a professional, so I got these trays out of a Kiss dip kit that I had. But this little cup is a lifesaver. It helps me save product and also make sure that I'm getting my finger in at the right angle without me having to think about it. Now I'm just wiping my nails off again with an alcohol wipe just to remove the dust from my nail bed. And also the alcohol dehydrates your nails, so it removes the natural oils your nails may have. And that helps with the adhesion between the acrylic powder and your nail. Now to the important stuff. Okay, so this is the glue, the nail glue that you use to stick the powder to your nail. I have found that with the first coat, I only coat the top half of my nail. And this is because when I was coating the entire nail, my nails would become very bulky and just look really, really thick. But if I only do half the nail the first time, it helps with building the C curve of your nail. You don't get like a line of demarcation at all when it comes to, the smoothness of your nail. So I build up strength at the arch and the free edge of my nail, and then I go in and I put 2 coats at the base of my nail. So 1 coat half and then 2 coats full usually. I hope that made sense. Also, you have to be careful with this glue because it will burn your eyes really, really bad. So don't lean over it too much because it will definitely make you cry. Now I just use this extra brush I have to remove excess powder to go in with my final coat. Sometimes my third coat will be clear acrylic powder, and sometimes I'll go ahead and use the same colored powder. And because this was a glitter and some of the places on my nail wasn't as opaque as I wanted it to be, I just went ahead and used color powder this time, but sometimes I do use clear. Look at that pretty color. Man, I could not believe how opaque this glitter was. Every swatch I saw of this glitter, this glittery red, it was not opaque like this, y'all. I thought I was gonna be able to see my nail through it. I'm so pleasantly surprised. Now I'm just painting the activator over my nails. So just to recap, I did do 3 coats, 1 half coat of my nails and 2 full coats of my nails. And now I'm painting activator, which hardens the acrylic and sets it so you can file it. I have zero clue where my footage went of me taking my drill over these nails, but after I apply the activator, I take the emery board drill over my nail just to smooth it a little, and then I take a pointed drill bit down by my cuticle just to bring the bulkiness around my cuticle down, and then I go in with this finishing block. This finishing block has a rougher side and a softer side. Rough side over it first to smooth, and then to completely smooth it out, I run the softer side over. Next, I take the activator over it again. This step is important because it actually speeds up the drying process of the top coat. And finally, we're doing top coat. And for those who don't know, the top coat is the same glue that you use to adhere the powder to your nail. So that's why it's important to put that second coat of activator on, because you're literally using nail glue, essentially. When you're applying your top coat, it's very important you have a paper towel off to the side to wipe your brush off before you stick it back into your glue bottle, because otherwise your brush will harden and it will set, like your nails will set. And this is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Tell me what your Valentine's Day plans are for this year down in the comment section. Thank you for making it to the end of my video. I appreciate you being here. Don't forget to check out decoraskincare.com. It'll be down in the description bar. Hit the like button and hit the subscribe button. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.